Sometimes we download a video from any website like NVIDIA, Verbo Wondershare, TikTok, or something like that, and it contains a watermark like this. That's why we can't upload it to our social media. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we remove this watermark without blur. Also, we can use these tools for free for lifetime. This will be a short, easy, and to the point tutorial, so just remember the channel name Hascree and make sure to watch till the end. This is the video of which we will remove watermark. As you can see, this huge, and this will be our final results. Also, if you are using mobile, you can follow the same steps. First, open your Chrome browser and type 123 apps, watermark remover, and press enter. Tap on this first link, and here are tons of tools you can use for absolutely free. Here we need to find remove logo from video. Once found, tap on it, wait a second, and upload or drag your video like this. And you will head to this page. Simply select the area of your logo and press apply. Here are the results. To save this, tap here on save, then tap on export. It'll take a couple of seconds, and finally press on save, and your final video automatically will begin to download. This is pretty decent, but the other tool is more accurate, like crazy. Again, go to Chrome and type media.io in the search bar and press enter, and this exact website will be opened. Tap on tools and press view all. Here we need to find video watermark remover. Once found, tap on it. Now there are two options. You can download this application in your system, or you can do online. So I'm going to do online, so I will tap on remove watermark now. And we will head to this page. Tap on upload here. It's asking to add your Google account. For this, we don't need to put our personal details here. Simply go to temp mail, copy email, address, paste it, select any password, and get the code from here, and verify your account. Through this, you can create unlimited accounts, so no need to worry. Upload your video. There are two available models, standard model and AI model. We will choose AI model because it is more accurate. Adjust the brush size, zoom in your video to cut out exact. Apply brush to your video watermark like I am doing on my own. Once completed, tap on remove objects now. It will take a couple of seconds depending upon your video. Tap on download. Now see the results. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.